On a quiet stretch of coastline, 3 homes stand side by side, united not by ownership, but by a shared sense of memory. These houses were designed for 3 lifelong friends who spent their childhoods exploring the very dunes that now sit at their doorstep. Inspired by the idea of connection and individual expression, the design focuses on creating a subtle harmony between the houses, each one different, yet bound by the same architectural language of lightness, openness, and rhythm. Drawing from the efficiency and sustainability of modular construction, the homes were prefabricated in 4 parts each, ensuring precision and minimal disruption to the fragile coastal site. Once transported and installed, the structures settled into their environment like well-placed stones. The decision to go modular wasn't just practical, it reflected the transient, seasonal nature of beach living, where flexibility, speed, and minimal impact matter as much as aesthetic presence. Each house enjoys an equal share of ocean view, with identical frontage and carefully considered setbacks. This symmetry reinforces not only architectural balance but also the emotional equity between the residents. The homes are laid out in narrow, elongated plans, an intentional move to maximize exposure to natural light and coastal breezes. Central courtyards open to the sky allow pockets of nature to pierce through the floor plans, making each space feel airy and alive. Instead of placing the living area at the ground level, the architects flipped the expected arrangement. Kitchens sit quietly below, while the living spaces are elevated to enjoy uninterrupted views of the shoreline. This vertical layering is connected by soaring double-height verandas that act as social lounges, spaces where family and friends gather with a view, where architecture dissolves into landscape, and where ocean air becomes part of the daily rhythm. The palette is simple, soft, and poetic. Powdery whites and faded blues dominate the exterior, echoing the coastal sky and ocean surf. The lower modules are painted in a misty blue that mirrors the look of aged timber boats left to fade in the sun. The upper modules are white, reflecting light and reducing heat gain. Together, they allow the homes to blend with their surroundings rather than dominate them, offering a gentle nod to the beach shacks that once stood here. From the street, the homes reveal layers of texture and material: clear-oiled timber decks, matte metal framing, and soft-colored bedroom walls visible through large openings. The driveways are finished in a grainy, earth-toned exposed aggregate that echoes the sand underfoot. Every detail, from the hardware to the color of the screens, is restrained yet deliberate, designed to withstand the elements while aging gracefully in the sun, salt, and sea air. While the three homes may appear similar at first glance, subtle design variations give each a unique personality. One has a skylight placed to catch morning light, another opens wider to the rear garden, and the third features a more expansive balcony. The overall scheme is legible as a single, cohesive architectural gesture, but closer inspection reveals nuance, a quiet celebration of individual needs within a shared framework. Inside, the layout prioritizes both privacy and togetherness. Bedrooms are tucked away toward the rear, with high windows filtering in light while preserving seclusion. Meanwhile, the central garden courts and open-plan living areas invite gathering and dialogue. It's a home where you can hear laughter echo between walls in the evening and retreat to quiet, shaded corners when solitude is needed, a balance many modern homes strive to achieve but few succeed in delivering. Homes avoid visual bulk through smart architectural techniques, recessed ground floors, frameless glass edges, and a consistent horizontal line that keeps the scale grounded. There are no grand gestures, only subtle shifts in depth, color, and material that define each volume. This modesty is intentional. The architecture never tries to outshine the setting. Instead, it respects the horizon, the dune lines, and the ever-changing colors of the sea and sky. One of the most compelling aspects of this design is what it chooses not to do. It avoids introducing too many colors, too many textures, or overcomplicated forms. The simplicity allows each architectural move to breathe. Even the decision to limit the palette to 2 tones is a lesson in restraint, an effort to maintain clarity and legibility in the overall composition. This approach results in a calming, unpretentious presence that sits quietly within its coastal context. This isn't just a trio of houses, it's a built expression of friendship, of memory, and of a lifestyle shaped by the sea. It honors the past while embracing modern efficiency and environmental sensitivity. By responding to the site, using modular construction, and focusing on shared experiences, the design achieves a quiet elegance that's both timeless and personal. In the end, it's not about standing out, it's about belonging, and letting the stories within shape the space without.